Hi everyone, in front of me I've got T-Tablet and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode, so let's first of all switch to the video one. And unfortunately the resolution option is not here, we've got only the ratio, so let's enter the settings. So let's take a look at this option panel and tap on this icon at the top, at least in this configuration, and then we have to scroll down to this videos. Let's tap on the video size, and as you can see, even though we've got the ratio here, we can also check the resolution, so you can tap on the option you'd like to use and it will be immediately applied. I will choose 1:1. As you can see, it is marked. It is also visible right here and right here. Of course, from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.